I ain't going for the front y'all, man. We got a little POV in the rain, man. Damn, my hair all fucked up and shit. Little POV in the rain, man, with the motherfucking Scat behind us and shit. When he got his car out the crib and shit. Damn. Let me try to raise my seat up real quick. So I can get a better angle of the car and shit. We got a motherfucking Chrysler 300s, man. And motherfucking Scat pack. You feel what I'm saying? Damn, my seat off. Is that my seat actually wet? Hell yeah, bro. I can't even have the window down. My seat just got fucking soaked. But yeah, man, welcome back to the channel, man. We got, you feel me? I don't know if I can see that bitch for real. I can't even see that bitch for real, but I'll show y'all outside glance probably if the Wendy's drive through open. I mean the Wendy's little place open and shit. I got my hair sticking out the motherfucking beanie and some more shit. It's wet as fuck outside, bro. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Trying to fix my motherfucking hair, bro. My hair inching the fuck out of my neck. Got a long strand and shit. There's no way in hell the inside open, bro. Make sure I bring the keys and shit with me, man. Where the fuck the keys at? Let me turn this bitch off real quick. Show y'all what's going on, man. Motherfucking 300s, man. In the motherfucking rain and shit. Motherfucking got Scat outside and shit. Got the motherfucking drag tires on this bitch and some more shit. I don't know why the fuck he ain't hop out the car yet. Damn, I'm fucking up my Jordans. Over fucking up my Jordans. Over fucking my shit up. Damn, why he ain't get the car yet? Thought your ass had to piss.
Oh, the shit open?
I don't know. I ain't check. Let me check. This might be a free lick if I don't lock my shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. Man, this shit get wicked. See this bitch. Oh, I gotta transfer money and some more shit still. I'm trolling. Damn, that bitch closed. Damn, that bitch closed. My phone getting all wet and shit.
It's open.
That bitch closed. I'm finna go through the drive-thru. It's some bullshit. I gotta transfer money, y'all. Let me show y'all the motherfucking inside of this motherfucker, man. Gonna give me a biggie bag and shit. Shout out to Uzi, man. Shout out to Uzi, man. I gotta go into my fucking savings and shit. Get my wallet out and shit. I can see the steering wheel a little bit better now and shit. See that motherfucker, man. You feel what I'm seeing? You feel what I'm seeing? But let me get my food and I'm gonna put the camera back on.